बॉडी हँडओव्हर केली.
किती बाईट असतो
You asked, I'm not authorized to speak because as per government order, you can speak to them.
बट इट्स अ स्नेक बाईट.
My lips are sealed, I cannot tell you.
बट यू वर देयर नो सर.
I have been out of here.
एनीथिंग सस्पिशियस.
Is there a
विषय